Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet and browser extension that provides users a secure and user-friendly way to manage their digital assets. Now, to log into your account, firstly make sure you already have the application on your device. Here now you will be provided with two options, create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If you haven't created yourself an account, then you can tap on create a new wallet and they will be guiding you for the further process to create yourself a new account. Here we already have an account, so we will tap on import an existing wallet. Here you will be seeing option of using your Face ID to log into your account. If you have your Face ID, then you can use Face ID authentication to directly log into your Phantom wallet. But in case if you don't want to use it, then you can simply tap on next and use your secret recovery phrase. Here you need to simply tap on the first option, which is import secret recovery phrase. Here now you have to enter your recovery phrase that you have copied somewhere while creating your account. After entering your recovery phrase, you can see next option at the top right corner. You have to tap over there. And after that, you will be successfully logged into your Phantom wallet. And this is how easily you can log into your Phantom wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.